Hey everyone, we're doing a cover and this is called Payphone by Maroon 5. So hope you guys like it. Here we go. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I've been on you. Where all the time gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, now it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you all here next to me. Said it's too late to make it, but it is too late to try. In that time that you wasted it all, my bridge has been down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, feeling stuck in that time when we fall in love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm on a paper trying to go home. All of my chains are things on you. Where all the time gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I just can't be holding you like this. All this fairy tale are full of it. One more truth of love and I'll be sick. You turn your back on tomorrow, you forget yesterday. Give you my love to borrow, but you just give it away. Can't expect me to respond, don't expect you to care. You know done this before, but all of the bridge has been down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm on a paper trying to go home. All of my changes and on you. Where all the time is so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? We ever after did exist. I just can't be holding you like this. All this fairy tale are full of it. Why must you be love and I'll be sick? Now I'm on a payphone. Thanks for watching. Bye.